Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw an Audi RS3. Begin by lightly sketching the car's overall proportions. Establish the main body block, considering its length, width, and height. Pay attention to where the wheels will sit within this initial framework. This foundational step is crucial for ensuring your drawing has accurate dimensions and a balanced appearance from the start. Now, let's refine the body lines. Carefully sculpt the car's silhouette, paying close attention to the fender flares and the sleek roofline. Next, draw the iconic Audi grille and the sharp, modern headlights. When adding the wheels, ensure they are proportionate, perhaps 1/4 the height of the car's side profile, and correctly positioned within the wheel wells. Moving on to finer details, carefully draw the intricate designs of the front and rear lights, along with the aggressive air vents. Sketch the side mirrors and the subtle door lines that define the car's panels. You can also indicate basic interior elements like seats or a dashboard, visible through the windows, adding a touch of realism to your drawing. Finally, it's time for shading and finishing touches. Use varying pencil pressures to create depth and volume, making the car appear three-dimensional. Add highlights to suggest reflections on the glossy paintwork, especially along curved surfaces. A subtle ground shadow beneath the car will anchor it to the page, giving your Audi RS3 drawing a polished and complete look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.